Now, we're going to learn months of the year in French. How do we say months of the year? So, let's start with the heading. The heading is Les mois de l'année. The months of the year. Okay, it's literally word to word translation. Les mois, the months, de l'année, of the year. Okay, fine. Now, January is janvier. You get a nasal pronunciation here. It is not a janvier. It's not a janvier. It is janvier. Janvier. Then February is février. Février. March is Mars, like planet Mars. Okay. April is Avril. Then May is Mai. June is Juin. Again, you are getting a nasal pronunciation here. It's not Juan, no, Juin. Then July is pronounced as Juillet. Juillet. We're not pronouncing double L. Whenever you have a combination of the letters I-L-L-E, you get a pronunciation of year in French. So we are not pronouncing L at all in July, though you have the letter there. So the double L that you can see here in the spelling are silent. Juillet is July. August is août. September, October, November, December, as I told you, the spellings are almost similar to English. Only the last two letters are reversed. That's it. But when it comes to the pronunciation part, yes, because each letter has a different pronunciation in French, obviously you will have a different pronunciation. So, September is septembre. October is octobre. November is novembre. December is décembre. Well, so I'll just repeat once again from the heading months of the year to all the months, January to December. Les mois de l'année, the months of the year. Then janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, November, December. Good to go? Understood? Clear? Listen to it again and again because most of the students get confused in June and July. So listen to it again and again and ensure you get the correct pronunciation. Juin, juillet. Alright? Well, so very good. Again, practice it in the same way, the way I told you how you have to practice for days of the week. In the same way, practice for months of the year as well. Which month we are in, which is the next month. Or take out some anniversaries, birthdays or wedding anniversaries of a couple of your known people and try to practice those. Okay, this is falling in which month, like that, which day. This helps you to practice. Well, so good. We learned alphabets, we learned days of the week, and we also learned months of the year.